SecturaFAB is the most configurable platform for manufacturing, with over 30 supported machines in operations. Gain the competitive edge by saving groups or kits of parts, materials, and operations to reuse on future quotes, saving time and streamlining workflows. Flexible and powerful options to configure and edit multi-line assemblies mean you can quote any manufacturing job with ease. Plus, reduce error by standardizing and automating multi-line assemblies. SecturaFAB's product configurator helps you quote repeat work in just a few clicks. Using SecturaFAB's highly configurable automations, customers have reduced triple-digit quote backlogs to single digits. Visit our website today to request a demo and see how SecturaFAB can streamline your manufacturing operations.